In today's video, I'll show you how you can get the 40% off Black Friday coupon on card.co. So let's get started. First of all, you want to go here into their website by using the link in the description. And you could now click here on login to log in into your account or sign up. You could also choose a starting point if you'd want. And from here, you can now proceed into providing your login details or sign up right here using this button. Once you're signed in, you should now be prompted in here into your dashboard, wherein you should click here on the profile icon on the bottom left. And from here, click on Plan. And now click on Upgrade, or you could also renew if you already have an existing plan. This coupon code will still work even if you use it for renewal. And now from here, you want to select the plan that you would want to purchase in here. So let's say I would want Pro plus 50. So this is it. And then from here, you want to scroll all the way down, click on the select plan. And now you want to go for the referral code right here. So the referral code is basically BLK 2025. Click on apply. And then with this coupon code, you will now get the 40% off the first year of any plan. So you want to take note that it is on the yearly plan only. So from here is that you will now be able to see that it's not deducted from the price. Now all that's left is the payment method. You can go for credit or debit card or PayPal, provide it right here. And then make sure to tick this box and click on upgrade plan. Once the payment goes through, you have now successfully purchased a card.co subscription using the Black Friday coupon code discount, which is 40% off. And take note that this offer is valid on all Pro plan upgrades, renewal of existing Pro plans, and purchases of gift Pro plans. The offer ends at midnight on December 6, 2025, so you still have a lot of time, no major rush. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.